welcome back to Small Thoughts Decor and Design. I'm so glad to be back with you guys. I've been away forever, but I did not forget about you guys. I've just been working and grinding really hard. If you just heard something, that is my rabbit. I don't know what he does in there. Like, he picks up his bowl and throws it. Anyways, he does too much. But I'm still located in the same location till I find a good size office to store everything. I got too much stuff. I ended up painting my walls. As you can see, they look different. If you guys noticed in my other videos, this is a platinum ring color, I believe. So yeah, I like that color. It's like a grayish bluish tone. As you noticed, I got my pink rug down here, you guys, my little futon, because I gotta stay comfortable. I got my gray blanket, my pink pillow, and you notice I got my Christmas tree on the wall and another one over here, white and gold, because it is the holiday time, you guys. My favorite time of the year, because not only I get to decorate more, it's so pretty, and also they have the cranberry ginger ale, my favorite. They only come out with it during the holiday time, so y'all gotta go get that. I actually ended up making some snowflakes too that I use to decorate the house, but I don't have them on me. But I do have videos for you guys so you can see how I made those. So I'm going to play those for you. snowflakes didn't take me as long as I thought they would, so they were kind of easy. So I learned real quick how to make them, so they're pretty fun. I like those, and trust me, once I get started with them, I have them hanging all over the house because I love them. They're just pretty, and you get creative as you start cutting them and stuff like that. So they're pretty fun. I'm still doing the baskets all year round. I actually can show you guys some of the baskets that I still have right now because I made multiples of them. I still got that. And you guys, I just been working really hard. Like, you know, I'm grinding every day because, you know, grinding never stops. You got to keep pushing yourself, keep going, and never give up because this pandemic, I hit a rough patch. I thought, oh my gosh, what am I about to do? I'm like, I technically still just started my business. But you know, you gotta keep the faith, keep pushing, keep working hard, and everything's going to work out, you guys. I just had to come in and show you guys little things that I did and got, you know, and what I'm still doing. So I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. I'm so happy that I'm back with you guys. You guys get to watch more of my videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new. Welcome to the family. And I'm just excited, you guys, for the new adventures that's coming up. So see you guys next time.